guys, it's Trey, the general manager of Squeegee Squad here in Tulsa. Today we're going to be talking about a very important word and how it affects cost, which that word is reliability. So whenever we talk to our current customers, property managers, people that we interact with that have their building clean, one of the most important things to talk about is how reliable a contractor is, and it's one of the major sticking points that we feel builds trust between partners whenever they're doing a service for each other. So let's dig into some of the things that affect reliability and how it can be a problem. One of the problems related to reliability is whenever people go with the cheapest option, oftentimes that comes with a couple of problems. A is going to be inconsistent scheduling, so not knowing when they're going to show up for sure or if they show up. B is going to be basically a rotating door of new technicians coming out, so there's no familiarity with the people that are working at and on your building. And then the last one is going to be a lot of times they're cutting corners to save time and cost. So what are the hidden costs of unreliability? Potentially missed cleanings for what you're paying for. You could also have tenant complaints or customer complaints. It's also additional administrative time. So if you're having to take time out of your day to fix somebody else's mistake, that's a waste of time that you should be spending on something more important. The other thing with unreliability a lot of times is just inconsistent service. So not seeing a good level quality of cleaning and not seeing the same result every time. What does reliability actually look like and what does it cost to get there? It requires having only the best technicians and having your company properly staffed with the right amount of people. It requires excellent training and also systems that are in place to make sure that the same thing is happening every single time. It requires a good CRM and a good scheduling, a good way to schedule your jobs. That way there's no question about where they're going to fall in the calendar. And it also just requires backup plans, right? So if somebody calls out, what happens next? If there's a weather day, how do we handle that kind of stuff? So how does reliability affect pricing? Well, our pricing reflects consistency and excellence in everything that we do. And really it's about long-term efficiency versus short-term cost cutting. So the main points to take away from this video is that if you want reliable service, it obviously is going to cost more. So we would highly encourage you to think about long-term efficiency versus the lowest cost provider. Whenever you have reliable service, people are at your buildings at the same time every month, they're doing it the same way. It reduces stress for you, and it also saves you time and money in the long run. If you enjoyed watching this video today, please go to the description on this video to find our self-pricing tool and the blog associated with this video. Visit our website also, www.squeegeesquadtulsa.com, or call us at 918-331-9905. Please make sure to also like and subscribe.